Let's go thrifting. Look at this cute pot for $3.99. And it's a real terracotta planter. Has a drainage hole and everything. It even comes with some foliage. I also love shopping Goodwill for baskets. I usually plant a lot of my flowers in baskets. I think it's so cute. It gives it a little cottage feel. But Goodwill always has a great selection of baskets. And it's early in the season, so they have a good selection, but it does get better than this. Do you ever plant flowers in baskets? I think it's a really cute little idea. They had so many to choose from. I wish I had picked this one up. I know it's gone by now, but I may still go by there and check it to see if it's still there. But this basket was so cute. It's perfect as a harvest basket. And I think I'm going to pick this one up. Can you guess what I bought from there? I bet you can't. Okay, maybe you got two of them. I'm sure you did. Do you like to thrift items? I've learned that thrifting is the best way to save money when it comes to gardening. I hope you have an amazing day, and thank you for watching. God bless.